Nikki with Bravada's Wigs and Hair Restoration. Today, I'm going to take you on a journey of unboxing a wig to its final customization with an expert stylist here in salon. Let's go. This wig is just unboxed and it has no styling done to it. I'm going to take this wig into our styling room and put a part line in it with a water bottle and a hairdryer. After doing this, I will also put a beach wave in to give this a unique style. Simply putting in a center part and a beach wave completely made this wig look like a different piece. Let's kick it up a notch. I want to take this wig and give it a haircut. Let's do some bangs, some face trimming layers, and then some light layering throughout. And I'll show you how much a wig can be transformed with a simple haircut. This wig has been through a transformation. I'm really excited about how this haircut turned out. The curtain bangs look fantastic, the layers look great, she's got great movement and texture now. It's like a different wig. However, I can't wait for the next step in our process. Our color work is so fantastic here at Bravada's. We have specially trained stylists that know exactly what to do. We're going to put a root and a low light in this piece, and you're going to see just how far transformation can happen from unboxing to the final product. What a massive transformation that made. The roots and the low lights made such a difference in this piece. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has been informative. If you would like to schedule an appointment with a cosmetologist here at Bravada's, please visit our website, bravadas.com.